morning, students. Myself BC Pathak. Today I am going to explain modern long pharma periodic table. Modern long pharma periodic table is totally based on modern periodic law. What do you mean by modern periodic law? In modern periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of their elements are periodic function of their atomic number. That is called modern periodic law. Mosley in 1930 proposed modern long form of periodic table. So today you have to learn modern periodic table by tips on lips. Modern long form of periodic table. Whole periodic table can be categorized into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, F block, and 7 periods and 18 groups. Groups are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. These vertical columns are called groups. From 1 to 18, these are groups. Now periods. There are only 7 periods in modern long form of periodic table. First period, horizontal line. Second, third, fourth, these are 4th period. Fifth, these are 5th period. 7, left to right periods and up to down groups. Vertical column groups, horizontal column periods. Now periodic table can be categorized into 4 blocks. First, S block. These are called P block elements. Third, these are called D block elements. Fourth, F block elements. Now today I am going to explain S block elements. First, ha, li, na, ki, rab, se, faryad. Ha, li, na, की रब से फरियाद. हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम and francium. For atomic number, you should always learn this formula for first group: 2, 8, 18, 32. Suppose the atomic number of hydrogen will be 1. Everybody knows atomic number of hydrogen, that will be 1. To 1 plus 2, 3. That will be atomic number of lithium. And next, sodium. So 3 plus 8 equal to 11. Atomic number of sodium will be 11. Plus 8, 19. Atomic number of potassium will be 19. Plus 18, 37. atomic number of rubidium plus 18, 55. Atomic number of cesium will be 55, and last plus 32, 87. 87 atomic number of francium. First group is also known as alkali metals. Alkali metals. First group elements have plus 1 oxidation state. Plus 1 oxidation state. Valency will be 1. This is called monovalent. Monovalent means the element which have only one valency, that's why they will be called monovalent. All group first elements are monovalent. Now second group elements. Second group elements is also known as alkaline earth metals. बेटा मांगे कार सरजी बाप राजी. This is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. For atomic number, you have to learn this formula. Double 8, double 18, 32 for second group. It was for first group. The atomic number of beryllium everybody knows, that will be 4. 4 plus 8 equal to 12. 12 plus 8 equal to 20. 20 plus 18 equal to 38. 38 plus 18 equal to 56. 56 or 32 equal to 88. These are atomic number of certain elements. In second group elements, oxidation state plus 2, oxidation state plus 2, and valency 2. That's why it is called divalent. Divalent means Mg plus 2, Ca plus 2, P block, D block and F block elements will be in my next video.